Hello, everyone, and a very, very warm welcome back to Hashmi English Tutor. I am your host, Hashmi, and today we are exploring the most peaceful part of the day. Hello, Roy. How was your day?
Hello, Hashmi. Hello, everyone. My day was very busy, but now I am feeling so relaxed. The sun is setting, and it feels great to be here.
I'm glad to hear that, Roy. You know, many people forget that how you end your day is just as important as how you start it. Today, we are learning the vocabulary of winding down.
Winding down? That sounds like an interesting phrase. Does it mean stopping work, Hashmi?
Exactly, Roy. It means to gradually relax before going to bed. We will learn this through the story of a girl named Maya. But first, friends, please click that like button. And if you want to master English with us, subscribe. It is 6 p.m. Maya arrives home after a long day. The first thing she does is take off her work shoes and put on her soft slippers.
The best feeling. Take off. I do that too, Hashmi. My feet finally feel free.
Indeed, Roy. Then she goes to the kitchen to unwind. U-N-W-I-N-D. She makes a cup of herbal tea. The aroma, or the nice smell, fills the room.
I love that word, aroma. It sounds much better than just saying smell. Hashmi, does Maya start cleaning immediately?
No, Roy. She takes 10 minutes to tidy up. She doesn't do a deep clean. She just puts the books back on the shelf and folds the blanket. It makes the room feel peaceful.
I see. So tidy up is a quick cleaning. Let's practice that. I like to tidy up my room.
At 7:30 p.m., it is time for dinner. Maya is cooking a simple meal. Her roommate, Sophia, joins her. They sit at the table to catch up.
I know catch up. It means to talk about the latest news in their lives, right, Hashmi?
Perfect, Roy. They don't watch TV. They have a meaningful conversation. They talk about their feelings and their goals. It is very healthy for the mind.
That sounds beautiful. What if the food is very good, Hashmi? What is a better word for delicious?
You can use the word scrumptious. S-C-R-U-M-P-T-I-O-U-S. Let's try it together. This meal is scrumptious.
Scrumptious. I will use that tonight. After the meal, do they just leave the plates on the table, Hashmi?
No, Roy. They clear the table and wash the dishes together. Sharing the work makes it easier. Now it is 9:30 p.m. Maya puts her phone in a drawer. She starts her screen-free time.
No phone, no YouTube? That is very difficult, Hashmi. How does she stay busy?
She practices sleep hygiene. These are habits that help you sleep better. She reads a few pages of a novel. A novel is a long storybook. It helps her mind slow down.
And then, does she just jump into bed, Hashmi?
Almost, Roy. She goes to the bathroom. She washes her face and she moisturizes her skin. To moisturize means to put cream on your skin so it stays soft.
I need to do that too. My skin is always dry.
Finally, she turns off the lamp. She says, "I am grateful for today," and she falls into a deep slumber. Slumber is a beautiful word for sleep. Roy, we have covered a lot today: unwinding, tidying up, and practicing sleep hygiene.
It was a wonderful lesson, Hashmi. I learned that my evening routine is very important for my English too.
Exactly. When your mind is relaxed, you learn better. Everyone, here is your homework. Tell us in the comments, what is your favorite way to unwind?
And if you finish the full hour, reply with, "Teacher, I am ready for a deep slumber."
Thank you for your time. I am Hashmi, and I am proud of you. Sweet dreams, and I will see you in the next masterclass. Goodbye.
Good night, everyone. Bye-bye.